Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the British Museum in London. You can learn about what to expect upon your visit. I hope you will enjoy my video. I'm so excited to show you around. My name is Gergely and you are watching Boundless Explorer. The British Museum is a permanent collection of some 8 million works. It documents the story of human culture from its beginning to the present. The content of the museum has been widely sourced during the era of the British Empire. It was the first public national museum in the world. In the center of the museum is the Great Court. You can find some shops here, including the Great Court Shop and the Court Cafe. So follow me now and let's see the sections. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned something. Please, if you enjoy the content, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.